Hi, I'm Brandon Blankenship, and I'd like to talk to you about spontaneity as a competency. So, spontaneity is the highest level of learning, creativity. It's what we do when we take everything that we've read, videos we've watched, lectures we've been a part of, application exercises, and actual experiences, and we integrate those things into our life so that we can then use them in a spontaneous response to new objectives that we're trying to accomplish or new problems we're trying to solve. If you think about students today will be faced with problems that didn't exist before. They'll be working in jobs that didn't exist before. So this idea of spontaneity is an important competency for them to master. I want to give you an illustration to sort of make my point, and the illustration I'm going to use is in a courtroom. If you imagine a lawyer who takes everything that they have learned and in response to something their opponent has done in the courtroom, the lawyer will make an objection. And that in and of itself requires a certain level of spontaneity because it requires integrating the rules to the current facts that are happening in that courtroom setting. Maybe that has never been experienced by that attorney before, and it does require a certain level of spontaneity. But then what will happen is the opposing lawyer will respond to that objection. And that is a high level of spontaneity because not only does that attorney have to muster a response, they have to muster a response in the moment. And that is where we see students a lot of times will get stuck right there. You know, they can hear the objection, but responding to it is where they get stuck because it requires a higher level of spontaneity. So what we want our students to be able to do is never get stuck. We want them to have this competency of spontaneity so that in the moment when they're called on to demonstrate what they truly know and how they apply it, they can do it.